Hey guys, how you doing? It's Duncan here at Holy Basil Thai, and I'm here with another dish, and today it's a stir-fry dish. We're doing chili basil prawn. But it's not really about the actual ingredients today. It's more about the method of how you can cook a successful stir-fry at home with a lower temperature compared to a professional restaurant which has got really high heat. So there's a few little tricks. Number one, we need to preheat our pan before we add our oil. In here, I'm just going to place a couple of tablespoons of oil. And then what I want to do is to cook small amounts at a time and don't stir too frequently. So we're going to start with our hardest ingredients first. So our onion, capsicum, and some chili and garlic. And we're just going to let them fry without moving them too much so that the heat stays in the pan. That's key. Once you start to regain the heat in the pan, you can then add your next ingredients. In this case, I'm going to be adding some carrot and some snake bean. And again, I'm going to stop and let the heat recover. Now we're going to add our prawns. I've got 5 prawns and then some mixed mushrooms. The ingredients really are up to you. If you want to change them, it's absolutely fine. It's more about this method that we're talking about today. And again, let it fry. Now that it's had a little bit of time to heat, give it a quick stir and again, leave it. Now, if you're cooking for maybe 4 people and you've got more ingredients than this, what you can also do is cook, say, your onions, chili and garlic and meat first. Wait until it's cooked, remove it. Then with a little bit more oil, you can add your vegetables and wait for them to cook. And then you can mix them together. That's another way of saving the heat in the pan. So all I'm going to do now is to make my Thai flavorings around my ingredients here. I've got some brown sugar for some sweetness, maybe just 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. I've got some oyster sauce, which will be a lovely coating over the vegetables and the prawns, and a little bit of fish sauce just for seasoning. Mix that together. The smell is fantastic. It's so delicious. I love Thai food. And then the hero of this dish, our basil. This dish is called pag grapao, and grapao means basil. So we throw our fresh basil in there, Thai basil. Beautiful aniseed flavour. And that's it. So it took, in real time, this took about 8 minutes to cook. Then we just need to serve that into a bowl and garnish. Some fresh Thai basil on top and a lovely little flower from the garden. And that's it. Pag grapao gung, or chili basil prawn, cooked home style in a standard wok. Now I'm going to show you real time in a restaurant wok. Let's go. And now we're going to cook it in real time Thai restaurant style. These woks are intensely hot, and when we turn it on, you can feel the heat over 1.5 meters above the flame, but that's how we cook it nice and fast. So again, oil. We're going to put all of our hard ingredients. Garlic, chili, onion, snake beans, carrots, then our mushrooms. Some prawns. Our brown sugar, fish sauce, oyster sauce, enough to coat the prawns, and our Thai basil. And that's it, guys. In the restaurant, only takes less than 2 minutes. And that's why at a Thai restaurant, we can get your food to your table so quick, cooked fresh, every single time. Thanks, guys. But please try it at home with your own wok. You will have success. Have a great day. See you next time.